Josiah's going by the goose. Get that goose, Josiah. Get him. He ain't get the goose. He ain't get the... I thought you was going to grab his neck. Grab the gooseneck. That's where the term gooseneck come from. Hey, all right, right there, Tony. Let the boys stand raised looking at the goose. Where they laid the golden eggs. Those the goose that laid the golden eggs. You know anything about that, sir? Do you know anything about goose?
Yeah, we're a boat.
Boats right there. Look at the boats.
Oh, stop. That one's...
I hear one. I hear a boat.
That one.
Where he at?
That right
I told you he was starting the boat.
there.
Starting the boat up.
We missed our ride.
Huh?
We missed our ride.
Ain't no ride. Get the shoestring on.
The boat must not be working. Look at the geese. Look at the boats right there. So how you like it?
Right here. Are you gonna get us?
Yeah, I got y'all.
No, go right.